Welcome to Life with Kelly Ann. I'm Kelly. I'm going to show you a real quick, easy peasy lemon squeezy meal that you can make. Just throw it in the crock pot, throw it in the bread machine, and it cooks itself. And get this, it doesn't cost a lot of money. So, hold on. Okay, now, y'all have been to Walmart and you've seen the rotisserie chickens that they've already cooked, and they're like, $6-7, okay, in a couple of pounds. But did you know you can get them, okay, at the price a little bit cheaper if you get them on the day they go out? So, like, they say the best if used by date is a certain day. You can get them that day. You can take them home, throw them in the crock pot, or eat them that day. Throw them in the freezer, and the next time you want a meal, take it out, zap, you got something fast. Okay, now check this. Okay, this is a lemon pepper flavored rotisserie chicken that we got, brought it home, threw it in the freezer. Now this one was dated September the 11th. That's how long it's been in the freezer. Okay, and it was originally $6.97. We got it for $4.18. Okay, already cooked 2-pound chicken. You can't beat it. All right, so we brought that, threw it in the freezer. And then this is something else we got. This is the vegetable melody they get in the produce section. Broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. Saved $1 on it. We paid $1.57. Bought it, probably it was not even a day old. Probably got it on the same day that it was, you know, the Best Buy date that they have it. Same thing with the broccoli. Okay, brought it home, threw them in the freezer. Now, you don't want to put them in the freezer if you plan on like putting them in a salad. But if you're gonna like put them in the crock pot or make a casserole, they're fantastic, and it's easy to do. Check that out. I'm cooking now, since about 11:30. Okay, rotisserie chicken and vegetables. I threw some celery in there and a little bit of extra carrots, and 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Okay, and some homemade chicken broth. And look at that, dinner is served. And not only that, I'm gonna have leftovers that I can put in the freezer to freeze, or to save for later. You can't beat it. Now, you know, times are tough, guys. We got to be careful. We have to, because they're probably not going to get a whole lot better. So the more you can get, the cheaper you can get, and the more you can save for later, the better you're going to be in the long run. Just a tip. And thanks for joining. Oh, and check this out. Forgot to show you. Oh, see my bread? Of course you can't see my bread. Oh, turn us around. Now you can see my bread. See that? Homemade bread to go with my homemade soup. And that'll probably last us a couple of days. And what we don't eat, I'll make croutons with. Or you can even dry it out real good and make breadcrumbs. Okay? Nothing goes to waste these days, because these days are hard. They're tough. Alright, so thanks for checking in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.